Hi, if you are facing 99 seconds on 999-second wait time on AnyDesk and want to fix this issue, then you are watching the right video. You face this issue when you try to connect to any other device. In this video, I will show you how to reset it. There is another reason. Maybe you want to change your AnyDesk ID to avoid hackers. First, you must close your AnyDesk app and ensure it's not running in the background. After that, open the Start menu and search Run. Please open it and type the same, which I am doing right now. I will add it to the video description also. Press the Enter key. After that, it will open a folder like this. Now, you have to rename the service's config file. This trick works on older versions of AnyDesk. We will test it on the latest version and let you know in the comments below, or we will make another video for that. If you tested this on the new version and it's working, then let us know in the comments below. We will make video for Mac users as well. After that, go to the Start menu and open your AnyDesk app. This will create another service's config file in the folder. Now you won't face this issue for at least 1 or 2 months. If you face this issue again, then repeat the process. As you can see, your AnyDesk ID has been changed from the old one. This video was for Windows users. We will soon make another video for Mac users. If this video solves your problem, please like it and share it with others. Also, subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching the video. I will see you in the following video. Till then, goodbye.